So tell me the make and model and year of your bike.
This is a 2020 Kawasaki ZX6.
Right. How long have you been riding?
9 years.
9 years? Is this your first bike?
This is my third bike.
Third bike, okay.
Yes, all ZX6s.
Okay, so Ninjas, all the ZX6s you said. Did you try a different brand and you like Ninja the best?
Yeah, I've been on a Gixxer 600.
Okay.
That was okay.
Okay.
That's what I learned on. And I've been on a Busa.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, you have, okay.
Yeah.
So tell me about your bike. How did you buy it new, used, or what?
I bought it new in 2020 during the pandemic.
Oh, you did, okay. Brand new?
Yep.
0 mile, okay.
Yep.
Cool.
How?
How many miles have you put since 2020?
I think 8,000.
8,000?
Yeah.
Wow. So, what's your riding style? Meaning a highway, side street, what do you?
I prefer windy, twisty back
Oh, so
roads.
side street.
Yes, I
Okay.
can do highway too. It's fun to go fast.
Have you done any mods to the bike since you got it?
Just the exhaust.
Okay.
And I got it lowered.
Oh, you did get it lowered.
Yep.
Okay.
Half of it wrapped with vinyl.
Okay. Sit on it for a second. I want to see your legs. Cool. So when they lowered it, yeah. How tall are you?
5'7".
5'7". Okay. So this fits you perfectly.
Yeah.
Cool.
I used to be on my tummy.
Yes. So good. Now, do you take your significant other on the bike?
No, I do not.
Okay. Does he or she have a bike also?
He does. He's
He
on
does.
the S1000.
Okay.
Yep.
So he rides on his own.
Yeah.
You ride on your own.
Yeah,
Cool.
he actually introduced me to riding,
Ah, he did.
but he's a wild rider. So I was like, I need to get my own bike.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You have a beautiful bike.
Thank you.
Do you take it to track?
I have. Yeah.
You have?
I've gone twice.
Which track did you go to?
Both times the NC bike.
Oh, okay. Oh, North Carolina, right? How did you like it?
It was fun.
It was fun?
It was fun. I was just telling someone, it definitely boosted my confidence as a
Okay.
rider and like
Okay.
my skills got way better after that. It's just really expensive.
This is your first time at this event?
My second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you also come to Bikes and Breakfast? Do you know about that?
I do. I just found out about that today.
Oh, you did? Just
Yeah.
from him?
No.
Somebody else?
I met here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. They have it every Sunday.
Yeah, I heard.
You know, they're gonna have it. Where do you live?
I'm in Maryland.
Oh, cool. So they're gonna have one next Sunday.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, in Edmonston, Maryland, or
Okay.
Edmond, Maryland. Yeah.
I don't know where that is,
But
it's on our side. So.
Yeah. If you do Bikes and Breakfast, you know what I mean? Cool. It's nice talking to you. Good. Once.